quite a complicated uh, sports and games problem. To solve this, you need to solve few equations. Like if I start with this one, sum of Kapil's victim is twice Madanlal's victims, and then more than 3 times, and is one more than 3 times Bini's victim. So if I take Kapil's victim as K, Madanlal as M, so K plus 2M is 1 more than 3B. First equation from 3. So why I am starting with statement 3? Because it is not conditional. It's not optional statement. Each of the 3 bowlers took at least 1 wicket. Okay. Either Kapil took 5 wicket, or Bini took 3, or Madanlal took 1 more than Bini. So if Kapil is taking 5, and Bini is taking 3, I put it here. 5 plus 2M is equal to 1 plus 9. So 2M is coming as 5, not possible. Therefore, the second part is true. Madanlal took 1 more than Bini. M is equal to B plus 1. So if I put that, K plus 2B plus 2 is equal to 3B plus 1. So K is equal to B plus 1. No, B minus 1. So M is B plus 1, K is B minus 1, and B is B. So B plus 1 plus B minus 1 plus B is equal to how many wickets? 10 wickets. So 3B equal to 10. B fractional, not possible. Okay, no, this can be possible provided others taking some wicket. It's not that these 3 took all 10 wickets. It is actually less than equal to 10. So 3B less than equal to 10. So B less than equal to 3. B less than equal to 3. So what are the possible values of B? B can be 3, B can be 2, B cannot be 1, then Kapil becomes 0. So B is either 3 or 2. So if B is 3, M is 4, K is 2, total 9 wickets. If B is 2, M is 3, K is 1. Either Kapil took half the wickets or one of the player was run out. Kapil took half the wicket, K equal to 5, we have already considered, not possible. One of the player run out is possible in both the cases. Because here we are getting 9 wickets and here we are getting 6 wickets. So let us go for solving. First problem. How many wicket Kapil take? It can be 1, it can be 2. So we'll go with option C. How many wickets did Binny take? Either 3 or 2. Option B. If Kapil took 2 wickets, means this is the case they are talking about. Kapil took 2 wickets. Then the total number of wickets taken by Binny and Manadlal together will be 7. Option D. Next. How many combination of number of wickets taken by 3 bowlers are possible? We just discussed only 2 combinations possible. Option B.